Our next group is the 7th grade band, and they also practice in 2 classes, which is wonderful because we can focus on woodwind technique and brass and percussion technique. So we met a couple times too to put this together, and they've got a pretty heavy program for you. The first piece that we're playing is a work that's in 3 movements. So you were a wonderful audience before on the 2-movement piece, and now we're really going to test your ability to wait for 3 songs before you applaud for us, okay? So the first one sounds like, almost like a train is approaching the station. It really has this out west kind of feel. The second movement is slower. It's called Rain on the Mountains. And the last piece actually starts slow and sounds like a train speeding up. The last one is called Train Heading West. So I think you'll know the end when we get there, but wait till you hear 3 songs to clap for us on this one, Train Heading West. next piece they're going to play is their hardest piece of brain work, I would say. We're playing a fugue by Handel, and if you know what a fugue is, it's a melody that starts, and then another group of instruments comes in and layers against it. It doesn't match at all. And then another group, and then another group. And sometimes, if you've never heard a fugue before, maybe the only way that you know we're together is because we end together, because none of these parts really line up until the very end, the very last chord, but somehow it all makes sense together. So nearly every student in the band has a different part to play. So this was like a puzzle putting it together. They could play their part when they got it, but we had to learn how to play along together with each other. So this is G.F. Handel's Fuguetta.